that Krishna's only, it's a ploy, a pretext that he's trying to convince them to go home, because Krishna's a preacher. He establishes Dharma. So he came here for secondary purposes to establish Dharma. So whenever Krishna speaks, he speaks as a teacher and he speaks as a lover. So when he speaks to Uddhava, he speaks as an acharya, a guru. When Krishna speaks to Arjuna, he speaks as a guru, an acharya. When Krishna speaks to the gopis, he also speaks as a guru and acharya, but moreover, he speaks as their lover. And he's testing their love, and measuring their love, and observing their love. And he observes their love, and he measures their love, and he gauges their love, and how they respond to his statements of refusal and rejection. So it's all the test of love, it's the play of love, it's the unfolding of love.